Say hi, everybody. Say I'm Chatter. He said there's so much going on outside today. He said the weather's getting nicer, and I've been outside a couple different times, and I want down really bad. And that's where you find their paint and stuff like that. The papers down here, I use them all the time. They come in big tubes like this, and they are wonderful for this kind of art. I mean, once I pour paint on the canvas, I can't necessarily leave the paper here because it will stick. But it's great for just so it looks cleaner as I work and stuff like that. So I absolutely love that. Sorry, I'm looking at my cameras over here. They're kind of lagging behind. It's been a while since I've been in here. Just been super busy. I know. Crazy stuff. So anyway, when I was at IKEA, I picked up some of their paints, and I've got a watercolor set here. I don't know that I'm going to do much with it today, although there's something in here. I think it's paintbrushes. And it's got a cute little case, which I think is really nice for if you bought, like I said, this was in the kids section. Some pretty colors here, so we may dip into them just to see how they kind of work a little bit. But I did pick up these guys here. So I thought I would do like a rainbow. I don't see, there's a gray in here, but I don't see a white. And then I picked up these guys here. Oh, is that a white? There might be a white in here. Let me see if I can get in here. Because I have white mixed up. So I may use, because I was going to do some type of like rainbow color. I thought it'd be cool with these guys here. They don't have a white. It looks like in this section here. And they've got some pins too. I was like, you know me, I like my acrylic pins. I think those are probably more like markers, but you know, they give you a little brush. That's always come in handy for things. It looks like in this section here I have, do they have colors on here? No. They have a red. They have a kind of a purplish blue, I guess you could call it. Yellow, green, and pink, blue, and they have a white, and they have a black. Okay, so I have not opened these to see what kind of consistency they have. They might be, I don't know if they're watery or what they are. So let's put my canvas aside for a minute here. Let's open one and see what we're looking at here. Let's see what we got here. Just always curious to see what kind of. Doesn't look too bad. See, it's kind of. I think I'll mix these with, what am I going to mix them with today? Let's mix them with Floetrol. And then we will pour them on the canvas, and I will even use this guy here to, I've got more white made of over here. I think I'll use my white, which is Tester's Craft, to flood my canvas, and then we'll do, I'm going to put the white and the black aside because I want to do like a rainbow. That'd be pretty cool with those colors. And I'm also curious as to I'm looking at consistency. Let's open this thing and see what they look like, because they look like they have bubbles in them. So I don't know. And I almost bought another thing of paint, but the closer I got to it, I think it was actually like clay. I was like, I don't want clay. These things you want to keep when you see these, because you can drag your paint with these. Oh my gosh, wonderful. So if you get those in different products of different things, keep them. Keep a little bin of them, because they'll come in handy. Okay, so in these, and I was more fascinated by the bottles because like, man, look at that. You could do some really like detailed stuff. So there's a pink. Orange, green, yellow, almost like a neon color, blue, lavender type purple, and a silver and a gold. You know, I like my silvers and golds. So, alright. Let me see what this, let me see what it looks like here. Let me open one of them. Oh! Oh. Oh, it's coming out. It's like... Yeah, you want to give that to a kid? No. I don't know if I'd give that to too many adults. Oh, what a mess. Okay, well, let's play around with some paint. Let's put it on the canvas and see what we do. Like I said, I think I'll use the little guys, and then I'll do another video with these guys. How's that sound? They just look like a mess. Okay. But you know me, I make messes all the time. It doesn't have to be something that's already messy. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let me see. I got some Floetrol down here. Let me get a cup of that. I can mix some paint up here. And we will get going. It's not real thick. It's sitting for a little while. Oh, that's okay. Alright. Oh, it looks good. Here. Doesn't look too clumpy at all. Some people strain their Floetrol. I don't. I probably should, but I've never had a reason to. I don't know if it's maybe there are weather here. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm just going to use my little Dixie cups here. Six of them. All right. I'll mix it up, and like I said, I think I'm just going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flood the canvas with white. Like I said, that's already mixed up, and then I'm just going to do like dots of different colors, and then I'm just going to blow it out with the blow dryer, so it's like I said, rainbow top looking concept. So it should look pretty cool. So let's put the Floetrol in the cups first, and then we'll put the paint on top of them. So I'm just mixing about a little more than a half a cup in here of the Floetrol, and then I'll put the color in. I might have enough paint to do another painting. That'd be kind of cool. We'll do maybe a pour. Do that just to see how it reacts. We can do anything we want to. Well, I think I have just enough to. It's a little shy. There we go. Alright, so that's that. Get mixing on these colors. So I'm just doing a good squirt in each of them, and we'll stir them up on the canvas. I like these containers. I'm noticing more and more people are using the round containers like these. They're a little bit nicer than, I like the lids better than I do on those, so. I'm gonna have to stir because I don't know which color I did. These down here, which one did I do? Alright. What do I get for being distracted? Okay, I didn't put any color in that one. Let's see, I've got yellow. These guys, this one, okay, green and red. There we go. a pretty green. It's mixing well in my cup with the Floetrol. Yeah, it's doing well. The red's pretty too. Good. I'll set these aside here. Don't knock them over. It never happens, right? Doesn't. So glad the spring is starting to kind of show through. My daffodils are about 1 inch tall. I was like, oh my gosh, spring is right around the corner. I'm ready for it too. I think I'll do the, so let's go this direction. Do yellow last. They're pretty colors. It'll be interesting to see how they do. Okay. Alright. These aside. And let's get the canvas covered in white. Like I said, this is Floetrol and the Crafter Smart white. I got a big container of it. I use it so much. Okay. Let's see here. I'm just putting a good base down so that it makes it easier for the paints to move around if there's paint down. And you know I like to put paint on dry canvas to control it, but today we're just gonna, since I'm gonna use the blow dryer, I need something to kind of let it move around on the canvas. And I may pick, I don't know, you just kind of experiment, right? Yeah. Although I was pleased the way they mixed, just stirring them, so, okay. So let's, get more white here if we need it. Alright, so here we go. I'm just going to do like dots, like kind of puddles, and then I'll blow dry it. Okay, alright. Let it go off the edge a little bit, like that. Said I might have enough paint left over to do something else, but right there. My canvas is kind of sagging in the middle. It's weird. Let's blow dry this and see how it does. I know I've got some space up here, but that's okay. Oh, and there's a hair on it. Go there. Oh, my thing. Quit this one. Ah. There you go. I'm seeing some cells pop out, so this should turn out really well. So my butter. It's funny, I come in here and organize stuff, and then I can't find stuff when it's all messed out. Should have put my gloves on, huh? Yeah, it looks pretty cool, but look at the cells popping up. Wow. I think that was because of the Tetris crack, but oh my gosh. I mean, it looks pretty cool, actually. It's very colorful. Let me hit it with the torch. Let's see. There. Look at those. Who would have thought? So much for that little thought, huh? See if we can do something with it. Look at those cells popping up underneath there. Very cool. Be interesting to see how it dries. Like I said, my canvas is really cooling in the middle. I'm trying to think. While it dries, I need to almost put something underneath it. Although my drying rack will kind of help it too. So I think I'm just going to kind of leave it and see. That looks pretty cool on canvas, or canvas, on cameras here. Yeah, I'm kind of impressed with its reaction to the Floetrol, and yeah, I think it's looking pretty cool actually. We may have a winner, guys, on the IKEA paint. Like I said, I think what I'm going to do this evening when I come back in here is I'll play with these guys. And see what we can do. Maybe I'll do a pour to see how they kind of react with each other. We'll do something with them. But I'm going to let this one dry. I don't know. And I'll get my camera and make sure you guys can see what's going on down here. It's really kind of cool. I like the reaction that it's having with the paint. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are into the cell thing and you want some interesting activity, I mean, look at that. It's doing some really cool stuff here. So yeah. Huh. Well, you go. Who would have thought? And it'd be interesting, like I said, to see how it dries. I'm going to put it on the drying rack. And then I'll get some really good close-up pictures of it with the camera, and we'll see how it works. Yeah. So, oh hey, by the way, if you could hit that subscribe button right there, I sure would appreciate it. And I also want to reach out to all my Facebook people. You guys are really being very sweet and considerate to me in regards to my new adventures. I've got 400 and some followers over on Facebook, and I promise to get you guys some really good stuff so you can enjoy watching some of these videos too. Because not everybody wants to flip back and forth between YouTube and Facebook. I've got a few things out there on Pinterest, and Instagram. I'm still trying to figure out how to use it correctly. And I haven't done TikTok yet. So, but eventually I probably will. But right now it's kind of going back and forth between Facebook and YouTube. So yeah, I just want to shout out to both parties and say thank you so much for watching me. I appreciate it, and it gives me encouragement to continue. And you know, if you're wanting to create a company similar to mine, it's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun too. And you just have to make sure that you have enough material, and I don't need paint materials, enough material to do a video 1 or 2 a week. So as long as you've got the ideas, you can create stuff. So alright, so I'm going to get off here and we'll let this dry, and I'll come back and show some if I can speak, some pictures of it, a little video, that sort of thing, of just this and getting close up to it. So I'm going to get it on the drying rack, and we'll be back. So in a few seconds you'll see some really good pictures. For me, it'll be probably 24 hours or so before this is all dry. So I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now. As always, go out there, be great, be awesome, be yourself, and do your thing. See you soon. Bye.